Hey guys, Tech Flash here. Alright, so today we're going to be briefly touching at Huawei, which is rumored to release a brand new phone in just a few days. Huawei teased a new phone on its Harmony event held on the 2nd of June, and now we also have an official release date announced by them. The P50 series phones are set to launch on the 29th of July, which is just 2 days away, and I have to say that it's surprising to see the Chinese giant making a comeback after all the sanctions that were implemented on it. For a moment, we thought that we'd never hear from them again due to the lack of processors or the fact that they'd had to build their operating system from the ground up. Talking about some of the rumored features, Huawei will be releasing two variants of the new phone, which are the P50 and the P50 Pro. The rear cameras on the P50 Pro are believed to bring similar focal lengths to the P40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro series, with a 125mm telephoto module capable of 5x zoom, joined by an 18mm equivalent ultra-wide lens, and there are reports that there will be a 1-inch Sony IMX800 sensor to them. An official teaser further confirmed that Leica is still working with Huawei and will keep on providing the camera systems for the P50 series. The company will continue to develop its own ecosystem, which already has about 130,000 apps and has seen about 4 million developers sign up for the Harmony platform. And I want to focus particularly on the Harmony operating system because this might as well be a game changer for Huawei altogether. Now, we know that due to the sanctions, the company was forced to make their own operating system from the ground up. And although this may have been very difficult in the beginning, it has actually made Huawei independent. Harmony OS can either make or break Huawei at the moment, and if they are successful in building a fully independent platform, they might as well make more profit from their software side rather from their actual hardware. Considering the fact that all Chinese phone companies are in one way or the other partnered with the Chinese Communist Party, the government might as well instruct all of their phone manufacturers to integrate some or even all of their devices with Harmony OS. And this may not affect their European market as much, but it will surely have a very big impact on the Asian market, where price to performance is very seriously taken. Another advantage is that Huawei is now developing their own operating system, which was made in-house along with their own hardware, kind of like what Apple has been doing, and it actually proved to have a few features that not even Android has at the moment. If Huawei successfully pulls this off, then Android and Google may be in a lot of trouble, and putting those sanctions might as well prove to be a huge mistake for the US government. With all of this in hand, Harmony OS is shaping to become a bigger rival to Google than they probably ever anticipated. Talking about the chipset that the P50 will have, it's still very unclear, and there may be a chance that we will see the Snapdragon 888 processor, which will only support 4G LTE connectivity due to its decreasing supply of the Kirin 9000 chip. One thing to note is that the Snapdragon 888 chip actually does come in a 5G variant, but because Huawei still has sanctions on it, it is restricted to only use the 4G LTE variant regardless of what chip we'll be seeing on the P50 series. While specs are still scarce at this point, we know the P50 series will arrive with Harmony OS 2.0, 66-watt fast charging, and most likely a 4500 or 5000 mAh battery. Anyways guys, that's it for now, and these are the latest news and updates on the Huawei P50. Stay tuned for the 29th of July to officially see what Huawei is coming up with, and stay tuned for more news and updates and tech talk. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech news, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.